How to send a disappearing photo on Telegram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Telegram and then go to the chat in which you want to send a disappearing photo. Now, in this message box, simply tap on this pin icon. Now, select a video or photo, or you can also use the camera to instantly click a picture. Then there is one simple step to send a disappearing photo. That is, you will have to check this one button in just beside this add a caption section. Now you can check if you can check among this five options, that is view once, 3 seconds, 10 seconds and 30 seconds. Simply select any of these four except do not delete for sending it as disappearing photo, and then send it. So it will just remain for 3 seconds and then it will disappear. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.